Okay, in this step I want to create a new VR camera because it is single view, and maybe we want to put our phone inside of the VR headsets, mobile headsets. So I want to keep it and rename it to VR single cam and duplicate it. VR single cam VR left and we are right. Sorry. Alright. Okay, we disable and single cam, and let's work on the VR left cam. For now I want to disable these UIs to see better the view. As you can see, it is our view. Okay, in here check off. Okay, in here I want to decrease the amount of W as a 0.5, and in here 0.5, and put up. Oh no, maybe it was better to stay on 1. And also okay, everything is okay. The depth must be 1, and for here I must be 0.5, sorry, 1, but put as a here. Alright, right now we have double cameras as a dual screen for the VR headsets and single VR camera. And let's create a C# script to management better our cameras. We are cameras. Okay, let's to compile it. Alright, it's done. Let's go to the Visual Studio to write a script, a simple script for management our cameras. For example, we say okay, public game object VR single cam, and also duplicate this part, and we say we are left, and we are right. Okay, as a default I want to say start we are single cam dot set active dot true, and in here another duplicate, right? Okay, and also it's better to say public void go to single view, and duplicate these scripts in here and launch it in here. Okay, and also the another duplicate go to the dual views. Okay, and false true true. That's it. I think everything is enough for us, because I want to only management the scenes and no need to very complicated thing. And we need something in here, buttons in the right side up, Okay, and we change the name of it and say single view, duplicate, change the name. Oh, it's a little bit small. Alright, perfect. Okay, and also add a function for here, AR camera, and then drag and drop our VR camera management script to the AR camera, and in here VR cameras we say go to single view. That's it. Another duplicate of button, and we say dual views. That's it. Alright, good. Alright, let's change our function to the go to dual views. Why? We need it. Maybe sometimes we want to test without headset, sometimes we want to test with headset. We can management here easily, and also we can put something like public void VR off, and all objects will be off when we want to test our system in AR. For example, when we are in the AR, we can click on single view or dual view, and VR cameras will be active automatically, and when we click on VR off, we will go to the AR mode. Okay, and say go down. That's it. Say AR view. AR view, okay, and change the function to the VR off. The final step will be drag and drop the objects in these parameters. VR single cam in here, VR left cam in here, VR right cam in here. That's it. Perfect. So for now, when we start, go to single view will be appear, so we will see this one. Okay, VR single camera is on, and when we click on dual view, we have dual screens for the headset, and also when we click on AR, all of the VR cameras will off, and we have only AR view. And when we click, that's it. Perfect. Okay, it is the useful option for management of our cameras.